Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be fixing some pinto beans. Okay, this cooking thing is getting serious, you know. We're in the house, so cooking different meals, trying to do different things. Okay, so what I'm going to do today, I'm doing pinto beans. I soaked these first before I soaked them. I washed them and I went through them to see if there were any beans that were dark or the pigment was different from the norm for the pinto beans to be. Okay, and if they had any blemishes, they were out in ordinary. You took them out, but for the most part, they were fine. Took them, rinsed them off. So then I soaked them. I soaked these overnight. Now, you can put baking soda in them, okay? A lot of people like to use baking soda. Or you can put a little bit of ginger in it, okay? And then when you soak them overnight, and you rinse them off. So I'm going to be rinsing these off again. Okay, then I have 3 cloves. I have 3 cloves of garlic. And I have a great big onion. I'm going to finish chopping that up. Have to chop these up also. I have some smoked turkey. We smoked this on the grill. And what I did, I set this turkey aside. And I'm going to chop it just a little bit so it'll be throughout the pinto beans, you know, and it's going to give it a nice flavor. Also, I'm going to add my regular seasonings like Mrs. Dash and accent, things of that nature. Not going to put too much salt, but enough to flavor it. But the onion and the onion and the garlic and the smoked turkey, it's going to give it a fantastic flavor. So that's what we're doing today. Pinto beans, okay. Well, we hope you will watch this video and then you'll be ready to see the next video when I show you the finished product. Don't forget to subscribe and to like it and share it with a family member or a friend, okay? All right, subscribe to the channel. Look forward to seeing you on the other side of these being cooked. Have a fantastic day.